In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $150,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, I will share with you guys which affiliate links I was promoting. I will show you new affiliate link that you should start promoting on if you want to earn some commission and so much more. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can join affiliate marketing business, how we can create an affiliate account like this one and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end because you don't want to miss this free information that I will share with you in this video. Okay, so this commission took me almost 2 years. Okay, I started this business from December 2021 until today. Okay, I'm still promoting affiliate links every single day, and as you can see over here in my balance, I have $5,000 and $5,125 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, okay, so for people who want to join Fiverr affiliate, you just need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down and go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. Okay, you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission. Okay, so what you will do, just click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, so what you need to do, just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country. Then choose over here your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go back to Google and search for this website that we will use to promote our affiliate link. Okay, search for Pinterest. Okay, so just search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, so what you need to do, so why I choose Pinterest, let me show you. Did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? 1 billion monthly visitors. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest. Okay, millions of people are using Pinterest every single day. Okay, so that's why I choose Pinterest. Okay, 1 billion monthly visitor, so much traffic. Okay, after you finish, go back to your Fiverr homepage like this. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, so now I will share with you guys which affiliate link I was promoting on Pinterest to get commission. Okay, so this service is related to Pinterest. Okay, click on the search for Pinterest ads. Okay, search for Pinterest ads. Okay, people who are using Pinterest and they want to grow their Pinterest account, they will be interested to use this service. Okay, so that's why I choose Pinterest ads. This service is profitable and those people who are using Pinterest, they will be interested to get this service. Okay, a lot of people will be interested to use this. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Okay, choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose, I will choose for example this one level 2 seller. He has 5 star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. Okay, what you need to do, you just need to copy his profile link, okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, okay, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page over here. So you will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here like this. Click over here and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link, okay? What you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest, click over here on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page and upload this picture. Click on his picture, double click and save image, okay, and save this picture to your laptop, okay. I'm gonna name it Pinterest. Go to Pinterest and click over here and upload this picture, okay, like this. And here you go. Scroll down, you need to put title, description and your affiliate link. So go back to this seller profile page and copy his title. Go to Pinterest and put this title over here. It's super easy. Description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. So you should see about this gig. This is his description, okay? Copy this part. I will copy just this part to show you. I will go to Pinterest and I will put this description here, okay? Like this, scroll down. You need to put here your affiliate link, okay? Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. Go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here, okay? Click over here on choose a board and click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name and that's it, and you can create as many as you want. I will choose one of those. I will choose this one. Scroll down. You need to put here tags or keywords, okay? Go back to this seller profile page, keep scrolling down. So just keep scrolling down and go to related tags, okay? Those are the keywords that you need to use, okay? I will copy this keyword. Make sure to use all those keywords, okay? Pinterest ads, Pinterest marketing. I will copy these keywords here, copy, okay, and I will put those keywords here. After you finish, click on publish, okay, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this, and we are promoting services that are related to Pinterest. People who are using Pinterest, who just started using Pinterest, who just created Pinterest account, those people, a lot of people will be interested to get Pinterest ads service to grow their Pinterest account, get more followers, more engagement, and increase traffic, and so much more, okay? Those people will be interested to buy this service. So that's how I find profitable services. That's how I promote my affiliate links on Pinterest, and this is my method that I use, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have new Pinterest accounts, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you promote a lot of affiliate links per day, your account will get banned, okay? So make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day, okay? And that's it. And also feel free to check my other videos if you are interested to start affiliate marketing using free traffic. Check my other videos. I share with you how you can promote affiliate links on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and so much more, Quora, and so much more, okay? And YouTube Shorts. So just check the videos and you will find a lot of services that I share for free and new methods that I share for free. And that's it. See you in my next video.